Hello, welcome to the Yugimenz. We have another Rush Duel box to open. Hopefully, this is the second one, I think. Hopefully, pull a Rush Rare, I think it's called.
I think it's called Rush Rare.
And a Dark Magician is inside it. This is. See, the Japanese actually package their things where you can't actually get in them. So now I have to try and figure out their names because I don't.
Where did I buy that mystery box from then?
I don't know what's I don't know what is. I can't read Japanese, so we'll start off. So I won't be able to say these names because I don't know Japanese, so I'll tell you which ones I know. There's Harpy Girl. Waifu girl here. I have no idea what this is. This card looks class, and that's a rare. I think.
Is it rare?
Yeah, it's just really dark.
It's really looks hollow.
I know.
So 15 glorious speed Jupers.
This one's got all the waifus on it here. Look at the size of them.
Woohoo!
I have no idea half of these cards.
Great.
How's the knives?
Oh.
Is that not Dark Magician?
That's the Dark Magician.
Yeah.
The Dark Magician's knives.
Well, you get the Dark Magician, so you got the knife, sir.
It's got all the waifu cards in here, like some disco ball. Thank you.
I like the
Flipping waifus here, like. We've got I don't even know what that is. Trap. So
Well, that's
it's got the mantis. It's got the insect.
Is that the Ojamas in the background?
No, it's got the chick.
There's that caterpillar.
The wee ski mouse.
That moth.
The petite moth. Bam! Oh, there's the first ultra. This guy, look at the size of him. Looks class.
I'm not gonna lie, they look lovely.
I know, it's like the whole card's foiled.
Might have to buy some of these, because some of them do look lovely. Like.
They're quite expensive. It's hard to find ones that are.
So we've got, it looks like Mystical Elf, but it's not. Oh. Got a,
Super.
like a whoopee cushion. It's the curry bot. The curry bot? Or the, what do you call them? I can't remember the name of that curry bot. Just want to put a rush rare, like.
Well, that's all we want to see.
Just want to see a rush rare. Got snow. Let's see. Oh, another. There's Dianketo, but it's a woman this time, not a man. Triceratops. This will go good. Oh, it's level 6. I don't say it's going to be good in Dynarama, but it's level 6. 1800 attack. It's very small set because it's going over the same commons. The exact same commons again. So we are. So we've got 2 supers and an ultra. I can't remember what we opened last time.
I think we got 2 ultras.
Was it 2 ultras?
I need to take a photo of all that stuff. And I just got. I bought it all.
Amazon.
Don't know any of these cards, unfortunately, so I don't know their names.
Unfortunately, done the research before this video, but
No. I know Harpy Girl, that was about it. So we've got lightsaber dudes. We've got elephant or zombie mammoth.
Elephant.
Zombie mammoth thing?
No,
is?
zombie mammoth.
is it?
Right, one year.
Mammoth graveyard. Oh, there we go. Is it rush?
Is that a rush?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Ooh.
that's lovely.
I don't know what it is like. It's all textured like. There is a
You know what it looks like? That Pokemon gig
like
here.
Shatterfoil. No, it's like Shatterfoil. It's not Dark Magician.
It's not Dark Magician, no.
That's the one you were searching for. But and he's good enough. There's Harpy Girl again. No. There's the main character's main card. Not Dark Magician this time. 7 Magician or something called. 7 Magician. Hence the Yugioh 7s. Let's see. That looks like a Monarch card, but. Oh, another super. Don't know what this guy is like. So 3 supers. An Ultra and a Rush. Rush card.
You wouldn't wonder what magic cards just a new character have. The way they usually have like Astra Force and like they can bang with Astra in the last one.
Maybe you can actually play the game this time.
Yeah.
Instead of using the heart of the cards.
Or instead of using like another
There's the Skull Servants again!
Let's go, boys.
The Skull Servants.
or instead of using another entity from a different world.
So I have to look up whatever that Rush Duel is afterwards, the Rush Rare. See who it actually is and what his effect is.
Well, the Rush one that you got is obviously Siglet from Pokemon.
It must be the villains from. So we've got 2 more boosters. This is the second and last booster. More Harpy Girls. Very small set.
Yeah, Mighty Rush Duels is
Oh,
it in
there's an Ultra?
Rush Duel cards is it in
This 100% looks like a Digimon. Like, I don't understand how this is not a Digimon.
It is a Digimon. Copied and paste.
Is a Digimon.
So how many Rush Duels do you usually get in the pack?
I hate these
Well, the last
boosters
one
because
really
they always
Rush ones, so they're quite hard to put.
they always ruin the corners.
I know, I don't know why the Japanese are, well, and OCG cards in general.
Because you can tell from every corner of the cards that they're bending them. For some reason they do that. So I just,
It'd be alright if the slip went across the top of the pack
you know,
instead of going through the pack.
bam. Just through there. Oh, Angry Octopus. So we got the 2 Ultras, which are 2 Digimon.
Do the same Ultra?
No. We've got the Supers. So we got 2 Ultras, 3 Supers, and then the really textured
I don't.
Rush to the
I'm
card.
not gonna lie, your Rush Duel, it may not be a Dark Magician, but it looks lovely. In
It's
fairness.
just massive that have it in Dark Magician.
I know if I was a Dark Magician, it'd be worth a lot of money. But thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more Rush Duel openings.
I
Thank
think
you.
there's 5 of them, so to get all 5.
Oh, you have to get all 5 then. So we've got 3 more to go, it seems. So thank you for watching.